Fuente Romano, amor. We visit Fuente Romano. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Lamig. This is Fuente Romano, amor. Oh, it's very pretty naman, Aki. Is river?
This cruz.
Uh-huh.
You see the bandera asturiana?
Oh, yeah.
Is
Ah, this one. Ah, this is the Bandera Asturiana. Hala, amor, is very pretty naman here. Ang ganda dito. Is for swimming also here, amor? Somebody swim here also? Swimming? No? Oh, yeah. It's very pretty. Amor, your phone have light. This is the other part.
ya veo alguien pescando ahí.
Ha? Es el Puente Romano. Mison. ¿Puede salir? Asturiano. Restaurante Asturiano. Hotel Emperion. Ha? What is it, amor? Close? All mountain here, amor, no? All mountain.
Yeah.
Come here. Grabe oh, ang lalim. Ang lalim sa ilalim. And the river. And the river. River down. We visit the Lagos. May sol lang talaga, amor, no? Solyado. Yeah. Ang init. Hello guys, ang ganda ng Asturias pala. So, ito na ito yung pinakamagandang napuntahan ko dito. Ang init. Amor,
Lago Enol.
this is the last one.
Yeah.
Finish na.
There is another one.
Another one pa.
Small.
More small.
I think.
Up. We will go there pa.
Maybe. What time is it?
I don't know. What's that, Amoro? What's that? Is all car?
Ah,
What is that?
oveja. Un rebaño de oveja. Pequeño rebaño de oveja.
Oveja?
Yeah.
For it?
Of course.
No? Yeah?
Cordero.
Cordero.
Estaca.
We no for it the cordero, amor.
It's delicious. Caldereta de cordero. It's delicious.
Really?
Oh, of course.
We for it.
Mm.
So many cordero naman. A lot of cordero here in Caballo, no?
The air is amazing.
Amazing the air. Impressionante the view. And it's scary, amor, no? It's very high.
It's very high.
Ang ganda. Asturias is all mountain talaga, amor.
The jacket, huh? Very cool.
Very cold. This is not the Lagos pa, amor. It's far pa. So many kabayo up, oh. Lamig. I don't feel well na because the road. My stomach is like washing machine na naman. You're smiling na naman. Aray ko. How many kilometers we walk, amor? How many kilometers? 20 minutos. Ano? What's that? The Rutas de Senderismo. See? Very cold, amor.
Huh?
Very cold.
Very cool.
See? What is the Europa? Mariposa. Asturias ke?
It's the best.
Yeah, it's all mountain nga, oh. You see? It's pretty. Okay? Lager scene. So many kabayo here. Oh, the kabayo is running, amor, oh. Running faster the kabayo. Ang bilis tumakbo. Hindi kaya manipa yung kabayo. Yes. It pulled down, ah. It's very sunny. Very sunny day na talaga, amor. It's good. This place is amazing.
Of course.
Oh, see. See, see, see. See. Oh, see. Oh, no. Jose.
This plant is kiwi.
Ha? Grabe yung fogs. Vieja Asturiana at sa ni Kalapati oh. Amor to ni ano, Paloma. Ito fly.